problem. The original car system sounds pretty bad, and it's not just this. We are spending way too much time connecting it to our phones, and it's missing the key feature, navigation. And we were very happy when ATOTO reached out to us and told that they will help with it. And in this video we are going to install the speakers, the car stereo and the cam recorder, which I think it's mandatory while driving hundreds of hours. And in case of an accident, you just have a proof that you're innocent. And I'm very excited to install it, to have those conveniences while driving and stopping and eating. I have an opportunity to watch YouTube or Netflix while having a fun time, a snack time in a parking lot. Just only one concern about the install of it. I think it will come with hundreds of cables, as all the car stereos usually do, but we have a little bit of experience, and I will show you the footage from the van build in the beginning. I think this looks pretty terrifying, but it also gives me confidence that we can do it. And for now, let's wait for the packages.
We received our first package from ATOTO, so let's see what we got. Of course, our legendary knife, which we use everywhere. Okay, so we have another box inside. Okay. Looks safe packaging.
Okay, you can tell me more about it.
I don't know anything.
Rolling home. I believe this will be the speakers. Very excited. I think those little things makes the trip even better, and to have an option as a good quality speaker system makes the experience even better. Okay, it's 60 watts RMS and 230 peak power, which I am probably not going to experiment. Okay, the only one concern, will it fit? It looks like it can fit, but we will see. The fit and the connection. Well, the connection looks pretty straightforward. Everything is according to plan, more or less. But I cannot remove it because there's wires which I can disconnect, and there's this one which I don't want to disconnect. Smaller than we have ordered. So the only question is how we will mount it. The magnet itself Just a bit bigger. Change of plans, actually it will fit over here. After we will just get some kind of coverage. In the end of this video we are going to do the sound check, but for now we have to keep working with the stereo itself. I checked a few tutorials how to open the front panel, and it requires a tool. We are going to use not very professional tools, but that's what I found. Probably there was some kind of plastic thingy which would touch it and attach it, and to do something a little more convenient. Nothing too crazy yet. Hello again, guys. Yeah, we have this, and we went to the technicians because I wasn't sure how to attach the camera. The original Mercedes camera from the back, and it had to be transferred from this connection, which looks like antenna, to this yellow one, which will show when you put the reverse. You can see the back camera, and it's working right now. I didn't trust my expertise on that, so I went and the technicians helped me. And all of this is just basically half of it is just for the speakers, like the chassis, ground, front right, front left, constant battery when you turn the ignition on, etc. So all of these, you just need a little bit of the research, and these are pretty straightforward, and everything is written here on the connectors. They are all prepared. Yeah, so this was attached to a ATOTO. I know it looks complicated, but when you just analyze everything, it will be easier for sure. So this cable, this is the GPS one. It goes over here, and the front camera is also connecting pretty easily. It just goes over here, and it's also going to be covered inside of this way. And yesterday I just was experimenting how to get there, and this one helped me. I found a way, and I will take some kind of rope, and then I can pull it, the cables. I think I will set up a time lapse how I will do it. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty overwhelming to see this beauty. I didn't mention, if you guys have a Sprinter and you have the connection from the antenna, it will be standard to have this one. I will show you how this one looks. Yeah, this one. So you need the standard one over here with the ATOTO and probably with other car stereos if you're going to swap them. So basically it's just costs around 4 or 5 euros, and you have this. Keep the metal thingy inside, it will be easier to connect. I just did everything a million times harder. Well, but each connection, I'm learning something new. So this one I just connected, it's the front camera. 3-pin over here. And this is the USB to read my files, if I have videos, music, if I'm offline. This is the SIM card, which we will probably use later on. This is the camera one, rear cam, which I told you before. This was the reason why we went to the service, just to connect this crazy cable over here. It was an antenna cable, but they made it to this one. And yeah, everything's inside except the GPS antenna, which you saw I was struggling in the time lapse, but I did it. It's over here, and I put the cables also all across here, so I cannot see any cables in front of me, and Vicky will put the sticker over here somehow later on. Okay, and now the GPS antenna for navigation, and the main source, main cables with the speakers and electricity, etc, etc, goes over here till it clicks. There was an easier option to put the camera over here, but I didn't want any cables going, so I decided to use this spot over here, there, through here, and there's a space to the stereo, which is a bit crazy to compare to the last one, which I barely see what's going on. and it's very responsive. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's go for a ride and let's check the sound. Okay?
Bluetooth.
Yes. So, first things first, we are updating the software. Of course, the day we chose to install it, it's not the ideal one, but it's beautiful nevertheless. The first experience, Vicky connected to the Wi-Fi, which we shared the hotspot. We didn't add a SIM card yet, but it was very fast and it actually feels like a tab.
We are happy we have GPS and that we can see everything in much bigger scale than just the phone.
Or just see the GPS and the location where we at in general.
And now we're gonna try to connect both our phones because this stereo must have a dual Bluetooth system.
Okay, I'm going to take some snacks and Vicky will check how to connect the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. I'm searching for Bluetooth here. Okay, new pair device. Okay, this one. Okay, and I'm on, so I just need to press 2 buttons.
Okay. I hope you have.
Come.
I hope you have the.
It's raining.
Let's go. Let's go.
Visiting all 50 states in 50 days. Last night we stayed in the scariest house in America. That's literally what the Airbnb listing says. It's pretty spooky in some ways, but it was also just really nice. We are currently in the smallest U.S. state, Rhode Island, but today we head to a new state and a very cool new Airbnb. I'm so excited. Let's get ready for the day. Morning routine.
We actually can do this. What we dreamed. Snacking while parking in some kind of rainy day, or just having a break.
ATOTO provided us the discount codes. You can find us in the description. And there are a few ways to save money. Their affiliate program, and it's up to 50% discount. Thank you for watching our car update, and we're gonna share more information after some time. We're gonna use this area.